With your art Instagram account, you can make money, and there are several ways to do that. And let me explain a few ones that I know, and there will be, I am pretty sure, more coming along the way. It's still unclear where you will see these features, where you cannot see in the world. For example, some of them are only available for the United States, and some of them are available worldwide. And I'm sure in time all these features will be available to everyone in the world, but right now it's a little bit unclear, but bear with me. I'm going to talk to you about all these possibilities to make money on Instagram. Number one is the Reels bonuses. I have been using this feature for a year now. Instagram pushed us very hard this year to post Reels consistently, and depending on the number of the views for each Reels, you get certain amount of money. It is easier for me to go up to $100, but after $100 is a small Instagram account, it's getting a little bit difficult to gain traction. I made about 120, 150 per month now with the bonuses. It's not bad. I post Reels anyway for my business, so making money from that was amazing. However, again, I don't know if they're gonna discontinue this feature or they will gonna add on top of it. We will see. Number two is Instagram subscriptions. Once you go over 10,000 followers, Instagram gives you this opportunity. This means that by paying a certain amount of monthly fee, your followers might choose to pay you for exclusive content. These exclusive contents can be live streams, stories, or reels. I really like the subscription feature because you can chat exclusively with your subscribers, and that creates a more intimate environment, and you can, talk about art and how the workshop went, what they want to see in the following month, and what they struggle with. Also, because they pay for these subscriptions, they pay more attention to your workshops or your live streams or your posts. The third one is sponsorships. If you don't have a big account, that's fine. You don't have to have thousands and thousands of people. There are some people who have sponsorships with only 4,000 or 5,000 followers. The more important thing here is the engagement. If you have a high engagement rate, then sponsors will like that, and they think the higher amount of followers mean lower amount of engagement. That's why they kind of target small to medium size accounts. But it is hard to be found. That's why you need to reach out to them, maybe make a list of the sponsors that you're looking for and reach out to them and say, hey, I've been using your products, I've been using your services, and I think if we work together on my Instagram account, that will benefit both of us. And finally, how to make money from Instagram through your sales links. If you are selling your art, if you're selling your art related product, you have a sales link, right? Because that's an online checkout page. You need to share this link not only in the link in your bio, but also in your stories. You cannot share this link in the description part because it's not activated that way. You cannot share it in the Reels because it's not clickable again, but definitely you should include those links in your stories. Don't hesitate to share your offers every day, but it shouldn't be always like 5 stories in a row, link either. You have to find the balance. There is no task in today's challenge video because I feel like I have been giving too many tasks lately. Let's take a break today, but I still want you to think about Instagram, and if you haven't been using it much, give it a thought. Maybe you should start using Instagram more often. I'll see you tomorrow in our next video of our challenge. Bye now.